My name is Andy, a classical singer in West LA, and this video shares with you a personal secret, a guarantee that you can look 10 years younger in under 10 minutes using the secret I am about to share with you. What is it? A smile, okay, but not necessarily with your mouth. We've seen people who can give us a big smile with their mouths, but their eyes look angry or distant or half dead. No. My tip is to smile with your eyes, and along with that, not just think of smiling with your eyes, but crinkle up the outside corners of your eyes a little bit as you think about smiling with your eyes, and you will look much younger. Your family and friends will say, "What are you doing, sleeping longer?" No, you can say, or not have to say, "I'm smiling with my eyes." I'll give you an example. Here's a little video from my career, a 2-minute Irish song, and if you look closely, you can see that I smile in 7 different places with my eyes, making my face look much younger, you might agree. Leave me a comment. I always answer my comments. I'm lonely tonight, love, without you. And my love I can never conceal, for they say there's a charm, love, about you. My darling, sweet Nora O'Neill, the nightingale sings in the wildwood, as if every note that he knew was learned from your sweet voice in childhood, to remind me, sweet Nora,